Now that our landing is complete, we're going to show you guys how to build a set of steps for a deck from the deck down to the first landing. We're going to show you the complete phase of how to do it. We're going to start by cutting our stringers. We mark our stringer, we cut our first stringer, and then we can trace down to the next stringers. Next, we cut our AZAC to the same thing we cut our stringers to because it's going to cover it. I'm going to mess around and cut this by hand to piss off some people on here. Stringers are all set to 7.5, and the bottom is 6.5 to allow for the 1 inch of decking. Have my Ticos up, have my blocking in all of my stringers to hold them all together. I have my triple stringer on the outside edges to catch this composite decking. Next, you'll see we have the AZAC going on all the steps. We are screwing in with the AZAC. We are using our plugs. Now this is just AZAC film before I get all the hate and comments on it. That peels off, but I peel it off at the end on purpose where I can because I want all the steps to remain clean. Now you'll notice I have to put my composite decking in around my post to lock the post in. So I must notch around and then put the decking behind. I miter all the steps. Now you'll see I pull out my multi-tool. I'm cutting for around the 4x4 post. I slide that in, and then once that's in, I'm going to take my vinyl post cover or sleeve and slide it right over. Now you'll see I'm back on the miter saw, cutting all my steps out. And there they are. They're all the same size, so we sit there and we throw them on one at a time. Screw and plug the outside, and then we have our spacing system on the inside. This is TimberTech Coconut Husk